Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can remove viruses and junk files using a step-by-step guide from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, the first step is to run the Windows Defender's quick scan. So all we need to do is just to open this up arrowhead here, and then once you click on that, you will be seeing this shield icon. So please make a double click on that to open. That is the Windows security. And we will be running a quick scan here in the virus and threat protection option. And once you click on this one, it will take a time, or it may take a few minutes to complete. So just minimize the window while the scan runs. And after doing the quick scan, all we need to do is just to use the disk cleanup uh, to delete some files. So to do that, we need to open the run dialog by pressing the Windows R key all together. And here we need to type clean mgr. And then once you have typed it, just please click on OK or enter. Here the disk cleanup window will appear. So just click on OK. And you will be seeing this kind of window. All you need to do is just to select all the options to clean junk files, including temporary files, system files, and more. So just select or check the files that you want to be deleted from your device. And once you have already selected them, just please click on OK. And all of the selected files will be permanently deleted from your device. Once you're done with this one, just proceed with the second or the third step, which is to delete temporary files. So we need to open the run window again, press the Windows R key all together in your keyboard, and then here we need to type %temp%, and then click on enter. So all we need to do is just to select all the files by pressing Ctrl A, and we need to right click and select the delete button here, delete icon, or you can also just click on the delete button in the keyboard. And then once you have done that, all of the selected items here will be deleted. And after doing that, some items will be skipped because they are still being currently used in other applications that we open in our device. So just leave them be skipped. And some items will also be permanently deleted. So once you're done with this one, just close this window. And the next thing we need to do is to empty the recycle bin. So please open your recycle bin. And here we need to delete all the items inside here to free up space and remove unwanted files. So to do that, just do the same thing. Select everything by pressing Ctrl A, and here we need to click on the delete button to delete permanently all these items. Now click on yes to proceed. And here we need to confirm virus removal. So go back to your Windows Defender and check the results for the quick scan. And if there are no threats found, then your device is now free from the viruses and junk files. So once you have done this processes, then you have now removed the virus and junk files from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.